So, everyone, today I'm going to explain what on concept with name what inheritance. Okay. So first we will consider what on general example. Assume this one is what you, and this is what your parents. Okay. Now you have some color, height, okay, body color, so many other properties, and all these properties you got from what your parents. Okay. Or in another words, you are inherited for that from what your parents. Okay. Now in the same way, if one class is having some properties, so property here means data members and member functions. If one class is having some properties that I can use in what some other class by using one concept called as what inheritance. Okay. First we'll see what definition. How to define what inheritance. Inheritance is a concept in OC languages. Only in OC languages we can achieve what inheritance. In programming language like C, you can't achieve what inheritance. Okay. So inheritance is a concept using which data members and member functions of one class can be used by what another class. Okay. Inheritance is a concept in OC languages using which data members and member functions of one class can be used by what another class. Okay. How to achieve that one? So consider an example. There's a class A with some data member and member functions. There's one more class B with some data member and member functions. Now if you want to achieve what inheritance, first I have to go with a keyword with name what extends. E small letter. Next I have to write what class name. Now what's the name of the class from which I am supposed to inherit? A. So I have to write what A here. Okay. Yeah. First write the keyword extends, then write what? Class name. Now after write this one, now your class A will going to become a parent class. Or in other words, we can call that as base class or what super class. And class B will going to become a child class, derived class or what subclass. Okay. So using the object of B, I can access what? This 3 along with this one. Okay. So we'll see that one with a complete program. Okay. So for that purpose, I have taken out one class, one program, complete Java program with class name what A. Okay. With the one data number small a and two data numbers member functions, read a as well as for display. In a read a, I'm just assigning the value of I to what a. Okay, that is data number, and display I'm just displaying the value of what a. Okay, so there is a one more class with name of b. So within which there is a one data number small b, read b and what display b. So read b just to assign the value for b, display b just to display the value of what b. Now to achieve what inheritance, just by using the keyword what extends and writing the class name. So class name is what a, I have written what a here. Okay. So yeah. So now I will consider what one more class just to define what public mean. So with name inheritance example. So within which there is a public static void main. So within the main I have created two objects. One is of type class A, another one is of type what class B. I think you know how to create an object. First you have to go with the class name. So class name is what A as well as what B. Next you have what object name, new operator. Then I have to go with the class name. Okay. So using object of class A, I can call this three, either data number A, read A or what display A. Okay. But using the object of class B, I can call small b, read b, display b along with the you can call small a, read a and what display. Why? Because of concept called as what inheritance. Okay. So first I'm calling what using object A, I can call what read a, because that is of type class A. I can call what read a by passing value what 5. So what will happen if we're going to call read a by passing 5? So that will be copied into 5. So that will be assigned to what a. Okay, now a is having the value what 5. Now if I call what display a, so display will be what executed display will be what executed, and you'll get the output as what the value of a is equal to 5. So you'll get this output. The value of a is equal to what, 5. Okay. So next, I'm calling what read a through what object B. So why it is possible? Because of a concept called as what inheritance. I'm passing the value 10. So what will happen? Now read a will be what called. Read a will be what called. Now the value is what, how much, 10. That will be assigned to what A. That will be assigned to what A. Next, if I call what display A, so you'll get the output. The value of A is equal to what, 10. Okay, so you'll get output in this way. The value of A is equal to what, 10 for the students. Again, in the using object B, I can call what all the member functions of read B. So now I'm calling what read B. I'm bypassing what 15. So what will happen now? So read B will be what called. Now I will get the value what, 15. And that will be assigned to what, B. Okay. Next, if I call what display B, this will be executed. I will get output as the value of B is equal to what, how much, 15. So just now I got 15. Therefore you will get output in this way. If you call what display B, this will be executed. And you'll get value of B is equal to how much, 15. So you'll get output in this way. Value of B is equal to what, 15. Okay. So why all this was possible? Because of concept called as what, inheritance. B is of type what, class B. Even then I can call what, member function of class A, because of concept called as what, inheritance. Okay. Just copy this program. Copy this complete program in your class notes. So along with the output. Okay, thank you.